The just shall live by faith. Ito po yung gusto ng Panginoon na maunawaan at matanggap natin ngayon. Kasi sabi niya, dito niya tayo bubuhayin. At dito niya tayo huhubugin. Sa mga nananatili, like Habakuk, pag iniwanan po kayo ng tao, that's already a signal that God will do a mighty work in your life. Parang sinasabi lang ng Lord, I'm paving the way for me and for my angels and for the Holy Spirit to move mightily in your life. And when that time comes, sabi ng Lord, nobody can stop it. Kapag appointed time na ng Lord, maraming magiging suddenlies. Parang hangin, ang Diyos hindi mo nakikita, pero once na mag-move yan, you will enjoy yung feeling, yung touch ng hangin sa atin. Ganon po lagi ang nararamdaman ko. Every time merong nagpo-forsake sa akin, every time merong nagpe-persecute sa akin, every time yung inaasahan ko biglang nawawala, alam niyo unang sinasabi ko, Lord, thank you because I still have you. Because I know as long as I have you, I will have everything.